Alright, Elijah, we're going to do a quick speed drill on these sight words that you already know. I know you can do this. Are you ready? First word.
Now. So. God. Friend. Together. Where.
The word is were.
Were.
Say were.
Were.
Spell were.
W-E-R-E.
Good.
There. 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 Text. Next. Play. Will. Saw. Hit. They. Are. His. Were.
Yeah, good job, Miss Benji. Give it to you again. What's this one?
No.
Good. Okay. What is our goal today? What did you write down on your whiteboard?
I can read words with the I, G, H, and Y sound.
And the Y sound. So, Elijah, thumbs up for words with I. We're going to look here into the iPad at yourself. When you say the words, put your hand underneath words with short E and I. Ready? Ed. Put your hand underneath your chin. Say ed.
Ed.
Eh. What's your mouth doing when you say that word?
Ed.
Which way is your mouth going?
Like O.
Eh. Your mouth is going out. Your mouth is kind of like making like the oval shape. Ed. Egg.
Egg.
Ebb.
Ebb.
Bay. Egg.
Bake.
Hen.
Hen.
Met.
Met.
Vest.
Vest.
Bed.
Bed.
It.
It.
Pit.
Pit.
Look at yourself when you're saying them. Is the eh and the I sound, is your mouth doing something different on those two sounds? E and I?
Yeah. Oops, I want to pop. Pit.
Him.
Him.
Nin.
Nin.
What difference is your mouth making when you say egg and
Nin.
And what is your mouth doing when you say sit? Is it going down? Is it making the oval sound?
Nin.
Sit.
Yeah. Sit.
What about
Sit.
sit and egg?
Sit. 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 Egg.
What shape is your mouth doing when you say sit?
Like an oval.
Eh?
It.
Is my mouth making oval shape? Sit?
No.
How about egg?
Yes.
Okay. And what about sit? What's my mouth doing when I say sit?
Sit. It kind of like goes down just like an inch and it stays in position.
You're right. My mouth kind of goes down a little bit when I say that I sound. How about long I words? Put your hand underneath. Look in the mirror. Right here in the iPad. Put your hand under your chin. See the shape of your mouth when you say the long I words. Ready? Fly.
Fly.
Bright.
Bright.
Sky.
Sky.
High.
High.
Spy.
Spy.
Slight.
Slight.
Might.
Might.
Fright.
Fright.
Did your mouth move in any way? Yeah. Which way did your mouth move?
Good job spelling.
Like an oval.
Right.
Like a
Fright.
O.
High.
Like an O.
Did your mouth go up or down?
Down.
Yeah, it did. Good job.
Well,
The
pretty much
sound
did both.
I can be spelled 3 ways. You've already learned the I consonant E. The other 2 ways to spell I are I and Y, when the Y is at the end of a 1-syllable word. Okay, I'm going to give you a card with both spellings, and you're going to underline the IGH or the Y and then say the sound. Or I'll just write it on your whiteboard. So here's your first one. Fly. Does that have IGH or Y sound at the end of it?
Y.
Underline it. again. Say fly.
Fly.
I'm going to write a new word. Say the word.
Hi.
What's it end in?
I-G-H.
So what are you underlining?
I-G-H.
So how do you say the I-G-H sound?
Come on.
I, right? It's another way to say the I sound.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Lawn. Y.
Say the word.
Spy.
Try this potato.
I.
Might be better for you.
What did you underline?
The, Y.
And what sound does the I make in spy?
Like, kind of like the long, like a Y and an I together.
Sp-I. What sound is it making?
Like I.
The I sound. So if Miss Bench gives you 2 words,
That's following. I'm going to sit you up a little bit more though.
Fry and bright. Bright.
what sound are we working on?
Oh, sorry.
One
that's Spanish.
I,
I don't speak
and then
Spanish.
one, well, the,
Underline the I sound in the words.
Y,
It's an F.
and I-W-H. I-G.
And what sound does IGH make?
I,
And what sound does the Y make in fry?
I.
Here's some applesauce.
So let's do one together.
Okay.
Clifford is so small.
Night. There's a lot of words with the N ending the I-G-H-T.
Okay, so sound out the word. You said the word night. Now sound it out.
Your mouth.
Night.
I love it. Thank you for tapping it out. Underline the IGH, please, in the word night. Okay, let's try this word.
Sky.
I'm not going to do it till you open your mouth.
Sky.
Good
Yes,
job.
yes.
Underline the I sound in sky.
There we go.
I'm going to give you 2 more, and I'm going to see if you can do it by yourself now.
Okay.
Can I give you 4?
You can give me 5. My, slash, thigh. Might. For that one. Might. Might. Slide.
You kind of make Clifford nervous.
Yeah.
Try one more time.
Thigh.
Underline the sound in the words now.
Oh my gosh, that was a horrible swallow. Don't just sit on your food. You'll choke. Hop. Come on.
There we go.
I want to hear.
Good job.
Like that.
Now read each word by yourself.
Oh, come on. Bigger than
Might,
that.
mind, side, thigh.
What's this word again?
Mine.
Good. You may erase. And I want you to write the word night.
I'm on. Oh.
Write the word night on your board. High five. Change it to might.
I do this with Miss Garrison.
What are all those weird noises you're making?
You did it. Now say the word.
Might.
Yes, change it to sight. Change the word to sight. Yes. Change the word to fright. Yeah, good job. Can you spell it for everyone?
Mm.
Can you change sight to fright? And say the word.
Fright.
And spell the word.
Fright.
I can't hear you.
And what does the IGH sound say? What sound does it say? I. Okay, now you're going to write these words by yourself.
Yes.
Fly. Make them little because I'm going to ask you to write like 5 words. 6 words. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Bright. Might.
He's like, who's that?
Sky. Spy. Sight. High five. Now read the words by yourself in our race.
Fly, bright, might, sky, spy.
In your mouth.
You did it. Good job. Thanks for showing everyone. Now you're going to read the words from story 1, and then we're going to read story 1.
Yeah.
First word.
Fly, bright, night, sky, high, tide, spy, sight, might, and fright.
Good job. Let's read the word. Let's read the story. What's the title of the story?
The flag. Story number 1. A fly is in the bright night sky. The fly is high in the sky.
Oh, freeze.
Clifford's
We
nervous.
need to identify the Y in the IGH words. Can you identify them in that story before we read it? Sorry. Bench made a mistake.
Fly.
Tell me the words we're targeting. Yep. Fly.
Oh, fly, bright,
Good.
nice, night sky.
Yep.
Might, tie, spy.
Yep. Point to them. Sky.
High, sight,
Fly high.
sight, tie, might, high, tie, fright. Yeah, that's all. Those are all the ones.
Good job.
Now can I read it?
Now you can read it.
The fly. A fly is in the bright night sky. The fly is high in the sky. Tie might spy on the fly that is high in the sky. Tie would need good sight to see so high. The fly might go too high for tie to see. The fly is too high in the sky for tie to see. What a fright! Fright!
High five. And what was your goal for today? This lesson.
A long eye sound.
And what 2 ways does the I?
So it's kind of like
Y
colors.
and I G H.
So what was your I can statement? I can do what by the end of this lesson? I can.
I can read the words with I G H and Y.
Do you feel like you're able to do that now? High five. Good job, Elise.